how to set a list to private or link only sharing in Letterboxd. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to set a list to private or link only sharing on Letterboxd, you need to start by opening up the browser and then head over to the website. Now, you need to go to your profile and then tap on the list option and then find the list that you want to make private or link only sharing. And then you can see make this list private. Just tap on it and then that's it. It's as simple as that. Now this list is private. Now, if you want to edit it further, then you can go to edit or delete this list and then you can see who can view. Tap on the drop down and then if you want to send link to people and you want people to be able to view it through the link, then you can tap on anyone with share link as well. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.